missing someone.
What's up, homies? Welcome back to the second episode of Cadence Serves It Up. In this episode today, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite South Korean dishes, being Samgyeopsal. So let's go ahead and start making. We're outside today, so I'm sorry if you can hear the wind, but here's all of our ingredients that we're using today. We have 2 different kinds of pork, and we also have beef. In your beef, you're gonna mix around this Korean barbecue sauce. You could probably find this at Walmart. If not, I will put a link down below. These are our veggies that we're using. We have onions, mushrooms, lettuce, garlic, and zucchini. And then for our seasonings, we have kimchi paste, which is a necessity for this dish if you're gonna try and make it, so you need to have this. I'll be sure to put a link for this in the description below as well. And then we also have sesame oil with salt. Alright, so we've heated up the pan, so now all we're going to do is put our meat on the fryer and heat it all up. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our beef onto the pan. And remember, we mixed our beef with the Korean barbecue sauce. You want to make sure that the pork and the beef is fried all the way through and is well done. Okay, you can take your bigger pieces and cut them into smaller bite-sized pieces. This is an optional step, but you can take your garlic or onions that you cut up earlier and put it in here so then you have a little more seasoning to your meat. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and grab a piece of beef or pork, and you're gonna put it into your lettuce and garlic. Then you're going to take your vegetables that you wanted earlier, so you could have mushrooms, zucchini, and onion. And then you're going to take your kimchi paste, slap that on top. Roll your lettuce up into a ball, and then it's ready to eat. Okay, so for the one I'm trying, I just put rice, pork, and the sesame oil with salt in it because I'm not a huge fan of vegetables, but that's good.
See, now you know what I'm talking about. Flavor with the sesame.
Hello everyone, so I'm currently filming the outro for the video that you just finished watching because I forgot to film one. Now, to be fair, I filmed this video months ago. It's actually the end of August right now, and I think I filmed this at the beginning of summer, so that was all the way back in June. And I just haven't gotten around to being able to post this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me make Samgyeopsal for the very first time and that you got to enjoy this very healthy, tasty dish. And you guys got to make it for the first time too. If you did, comment down below whether or not you like the kimchi paste or sesame oil better. I'm a big fan of the sesame oil just because I don't really like spicy stuff. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed either. Anyways, I'm going to be starting school soon, so there will be a ton of content coming your guys' way because I haven't been able to post recently because I've been so busy, but I've been busy making more content for you guys, and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. Because I'm starting school soon, that means I'm also going to be starting my swim season, and I'm working at a coffee shop at my school on the campus, so I'm very excited to show you guys everything and like the whole back to school process and seeing how I get ready to start my sophomore year of college. So I hope you guys are looking forward to seeing those, and I'm very excited for you to also watch. But in the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!